Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best jogging stroller with all-terrain wheels, the Chicco Activ3 Jogging Stroller in the Eclipse Gray style. If you're a parent who doesn't want to choose between staying active and being with your baby, this stroller might be the perfect solution. Let's dive in and see why this model is a top pick for adventurous families. Right out of the box, the Chicco Activ3 impresses with its sleek design and solid build. It's made with a durable aluminum frame, which keeps it lightweight yet rugged enough for regular jogging and rougher paths. Its three-wheel configuration, complete with never-go-flat, foam-filled tires, makes it incredibly maneuverable, even on uneven surfaces like gravel, grass, or city sidewalks. But what really enhances the ride is its adjustable flex-core rear suspension system, letting you switch between a soft ride for walking and a firm one for running. Whether you're on a trail or a sidewalk, this stroller adapts. Now, let's talk about control. One of the best features of the Activ3 is its exclusive control console right at your fingertips. You've got a hand-operated parking brake to keep the foot area clear and safe. There's also a front swivel wheel lock you can operate on the go, plus a 4-position height adjustable handlebar, which is perfect for switching between parents or caregivers of different heights. These features are not just smart, they're thoughtfully designed for real-world use. Comfort is where this stroller also shines. The seat is fully reclining, accommodating kids as they grow. It's padded and spacious, giving your child a cozy spot to relax while you're on the move. Overhead, the UPF 50+ extendable canopy provides sun protection, and there are 2 peek-a-boo windows so you can keep an eye on your little one. The detachable padded arm bar makes it easier to get your child in and out as well. Storage is another area where the Activ3 really delivers. The large under-seat storage basket is easy to access from both the front and back. Whether you're packing snacks, diapers, or personal items, you'll have plenty of space. There's even a soft parent tray with 2 cup holders up top for your water or coffee. Now let's talk compatibility. The Activ3 is designed to seamlessly integrate with all Chicco infant car seats, like the Chicco Kefit 35. Thanks to the included armbar, you can securely attach a car seat without any extra adapters. It makes creating a travel system incredibly convenient. Just click in your car seat and go. This is perfect for parents with newborns who want an all-in-one solution that grows with their child. When it comes to storage and portability, the Activ3 gives you options. It folds in 3 ways: a standing fold, a flat fold, and a quick-release wheel option for ultra-compact storage. Each method can be done with one hand, which is a big win when you're juggling a baby and a million other things. Currently, it's priced at around $389.99, and for international buyers like those in India, there are additional shipping and import charges. But for the quality, features, and versatility you're getting, it stacks up well against other strollers in this class. Especially considering you're also getting a jogging and all-terrain stroller in one. To wrap it up, the Chicco Activ3 Jogging Stroller is more than just a jogger. It's a complete travel solution for active parents. With its rugged build, high-end comfort, convenient car seat compatibility, and smart folding design, it's clear why this stroller continues to be a top-rated pick. Whether you're running through the park or strolling through the city, the Activ3 keeps both parent and baby moving in style and comfort. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest reviews on products that make your life easier. See you next time.